Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup identity documents using ID.me, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your identity documents using ID.me, start by visiting the ID.me website in your preferred web browser. If you already have an account, click on the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address and password associated with your ID.me account. If you do not have an account, click on Create an account to start the registration process. Follow the prompts to provide your personal information and verify your identity. Once logged in, locate the Documents section in your account dashboard. Click on the Upload Documents option to start adding your identity documents. Select the type of document you wish to upload, such as a driver's license or passport. Click on the Choose File button to select the document from your device. Make sure the file is clear and legible for the best verification results. After selecting your file, click on the Upload button to add the document to your account. Wait for the confirmation that your document has been successfully uploaded. Repeat the process for any additional identity documents you wish to back up. Once all documents are uploaded, check to ensure they are correctly listed in your account. You can edit or remove any documents if necessary by clicking on the respective options next to each document. Make sure to log out of your account when you are done for security purposes. Now you have successfully backed up your identity documents using ID.me. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.